Hey, Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. Hi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful foaming whitening body scrub. Yes, you heard me. Whitening foaming body scrub. So if you want to see how I made this beautiful product, you definitely want to watch this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Kaliu and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create videos weekly teaching you how to make your own skincare products at home. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful foaming whitening body scrub using this base. And yeah, but before we go into this video, I would like to answer a few questions that you guys have been asking me. So keep on watching. Hey guys, good morning. So a lot of you have been asking me which of my products do I use. I use the porcelain. This is the porcelain regular. So sometimes I use the premium or the regular. Posh Skin Secrets Age Rewind Elixir. Best skin repair and age rewind product. Contains advanced skin identical ingredients, amino acids and peptides to help give you an all-round reboost and rejuvenation. Hydrating, moisturizing, minimizes pores, clears all kinds of pigmentations, regenerates cells, protects skin barrier, prevents moisture loss, brightens the skin, gives a blinding glow from within for all skin types and ethnicity. All our products are natural and safe, made from scratch with love from us to you. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, let's get back to the video. So we're going to use a sugar as well. You can use any form of exfoliant that you want, any form of abrasive rather that you like to use. But today I'm using granulated sugar, regular sugar, and you also need your scale. This scale is going to help you measure out your ingredients appropriately, because you know when it comes to skincare, your measurement is as important as the actives that you are using. All right, and you also need a beaker, a container, something that you can put your product in. All right, so first thing on our list is our whip soap. I'm going to leave a link here for you guys to watch how I made this whip soap. And yeah, so for the whip soap, I'm using 44.5%, and this is a 500-gram batch. So I'm going to leave all the measurements on the screen for you guys to see. And I'm also going to be using jojoba beads. This is a white jojoba bead. I was trying to go with the theme of, you know, having an abstract color in the product, but I ended up using white jojoba beads because that's all I had. Now, jojoba beads are, you know, gentle exfoliants as well. You can definitely use jojoba beads on its own, but I'm using it here as a co-exfoliant or co-abrasive. And next, we are going to use our lactic acid. Now, lactic acid is also an exfoliant. This is some sort of chemical exfoliant. So I'm using a lot of exfoliants that are both chemical and abrasive so as to get the best result. This will help to sort of that dull skin and reveal a more brighter complexion that is smoother and more beautiful underneath. Okay, now the next ingredient we're going to be using is our gluconolactone, if I'm pronouncing that right, and this helps to dissolve dead skin cells and improves the appearance of lines and discolorations, and can also help remove excess oil from the skin. So if you have your oily skin, this will help to regulate the production of oil on your skin. Now, this particular exfoliating scrub or whitening scrub should not be used more than twice a week. all right, because of all the exfoliants that we have in this formula. But trust me, this will give you a super extreme whitening result. Yes, it is simple, but yet has the power to exfoliate and whiten your skin beautifully. Okay, so we're going to put that aside and move on to our next ingredient. So for our next ingredient, we're using Snow White powder. Now we all know that Snow White powder is a very nice whitening active. You can add your Snow White powder in your lotions, in your creams, in your soaps, in your scrubs. Just make sure that you are using it within the recommended usage rate. And like I said earlier, I'm going to leave all the details of this product on the screen for you guys to see, so you can always make this product appropriately. I'm going to list both the formula and the recipe for this product. For this batch, I'm doing a 500-gram batch, so I'm going to leave that information also on the screen for you guys to see. All right. Now, after measuring out all our ingredients, or some of our ingredients, because we haven't measured out our preservative, we are going to go ahead and now start adding them into the scrub base. Now, this scrub base, like I said earlier, I have shown you how to make it. I will leave a link for you guys to see how to make this particular scrub base or soap base. This will give a foaming effect. So if you're using this scrub, you don't necessarily have to use soap again because it already has a soaping or cleansing effect on it. So we're going to add all our ingredients: our lactic acid, our gluconolactone, our Snow White powder, our jojoba beads, and everything that we have measured out before now into our scrub base, and begin to mix that around. Now, if you're a beginner and you would like to start making your own skincare products, but you want to learn the basics, because it is very important to know the basics of skincare formulation before you start making any product, not to talk of making products to sell. So if you want to start out and you want to start out properly, you definitely want to take trainings, you want to, get the knowledge that you want. So for starters, I would recommend that you get our ebook, which is some sort of a beginner's guide. It will introduce you to formulation, what you need to know, the do's, the don'ts, the ingredients that you should be acquainted with, and so many other things that you need to know. So you definitely want to get our ebook. You can drop us a message using the link in the description bar down below. Now, after incorporating all our ingredients into the product, I decided to use mica powder and orange mica powder to create just that beautiful aesthetic. You can use any color that you want. What is giving this soap base the pink hue that it has is the whitening water that we used when we were making the soap base. But I wanted something different, so I went ahead to add orange mica powder. You can definitely use any color that you want, depending on the theme, depending on the theme of the product. All right. To inquire about our trainings, our products, and all the other services that we render, there's a link in the description bar that takes you directly to our WhatsApp. You can ask us all the questions that you have about our trainings, about our rebranding services, and all the other services that we render. We will be waiting for you in our WhatsApp, and we're always happy to assist you as much as we can. Now, after getting the quantity of mica powder that I wanted, I went ahead to mix it thoroughly, and this is the beautiful orange color that I have. I can decide to call this a papaya whitening scrub. I can decide to call it anything. All right. So here we have our scrub base ready. Now I'm going to add my exfoliant, and for this, my abrasive. And for this, I am using sugar. I'm using granulated white sugar. Now, depending on the color or the theme that you're working with, You can use brown sugar, you can use white sugar, but for this product I'm using white sugar. Now I went ahead to add my preservative first so I can incorporate that thoroughly before I went on to add the abrasive, which is my sugar. I added about 150 grams of sugar. You can go ahead to adjust the recipe to suit your preference. I wanted a thicker consistency, so I went ahead to add more sugar. So if you want more, you can add more. If you want less, you can add less, but I'm still going to leave the recipe and the formula on the screen for you guys. And then after I have thoroughly mixed everything, I went ahead to store my scrub in this beautiful transparent container. And this container, we are considering putting our scrubs in this large container. This is about 1 kg or 800 grams container. So if you like to see your scrubs come in this large container so it lasts longer, let us know in the comment section and we will consider it. But this container is very beautiful and it is safe. And yeah, so finally this is what our scrub looks like. It is foaming. Go ahead and test your pH. Make sure that your pH is within 4.5 to 5 and adjust it if you need to adjust it. And yeah, basically that is it. That is all. And I'm very happy about this recipe. If you try it and you love it, please make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time we put out a new video, and definitely share this video and invite more people to our channel. And leave all your comments in the comment section. If you have questions about the ingredients, where to get the ingredients, about the product, you are concerned, just let me know in the comment section. And bye for now. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Mwah!